Hello everyone, welcome to Codechef Starter 218 third question. Stop the count. Let's understand the question. Chef is participating in an election and going up against his enemy anti-chef. And there are n voters. So there are n voters given for us. And their votes are decided by binary string. If s equal to 1, then that vote will be considered for chef. If s of I is 0, then it will be considered for anti-chef. Okay. The votes will be counted one by one in order from 1 to n. This means that you cannot skip at any point from, let's say there are 4 votes, 1, 0, 1, 0, like 5 votes. You cannot skip from first vote to fourth vote. No, you need to go sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. At any point, chef can say stop the count and the remaining votes will not be counted. That means at any point of them, like at third vote, chef can say stop. And the votes 4, 5 will not be counted. The votes till 1, 2, 3 will be counted. And chef wants to win, obviously. And we need to find out how many ways are there for chef to win depending upon when he say stop the count. And there is one more constraint given that there are 2 ways are said to be distinct if and only if same voter whose vote get counted in the first way but not in the second way. That means if I say stop at third vote, the first, second, third votes are already counted. I cannot say stop at once again third vote because these 3 votes are counted. I cannot say stop at second vote after saying third vote. Okay, I can say stop at second vote and I can say stop at third vote. First saying at second, after saying at third. It will add one more vote to us. Let's understand this in depth with some examples. Let's say if n is 5, there are 5 voters and these are the votes given to us. We want to find how many ways chef could win by saying stop. Let's say initially chef count is 0. Chef has 0 voters and anti-chef has 0 voters. The first vote comes and it is 1, saying that chef is the person he have voted for. Then chef votes will become 1. Next 0, anti-chef will become 1. Once again 0, anti-chef will become 2. Next vote, chef will become 2, and the next vote, chef will become 3. Right? At the end of the day, we can see chef has the highest number of votes. But we can do one more thing. That is saying chef can say stop at any point of time, and we can figure out if chef could win that or not. Let's count the same words by saying stop at some points. Let's see what will happen. In the first vote, if the first vote comes and first vote is 0, first vote is 1, that means he have voted for chef. So chef's count is 1. Now if you observe carefully, chef count is 1 and anti-chef count is 0. If chef says stop at this point, then we can say that chef has won the match because anti-chef is 0 and chef is 1. And the question clearly stated that a tie is not a win for chef also. That means he need to have strictly greater than anti-chef. Okay, I will say stop at this point. I will number them as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, at first point chef said stop and the chef count is greater than anti-chef, so there is one way. And next vote comes 0, saying that anti-chef will be 1. No, if I say stop, I won't get any way, right? So I won't say stop. Next vote comes, anti-chef becomes 2. If I say no, if I say stop, then I cannot get one more way. So let's continue this. Then this will become 2, 2 are equal. Next vote comes and this will become 3. Now if chef says stop, we can say one more way. We have found one more way where chef could win anti-chef. So there are total 2 ways for this example. Let's take one more example. Initially, chef is 0 and anti-chef will be 0. The voters are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first voter comes and his vote will be going to chef. Since chef vote is greater, number of votes given to chef are greater than anti-chef at this point, counting ways will number of ways the chef could win will be increased by 1. So the number of ways are initially 0, now it have become 1. The next vote comes, and he also voted chef, so chef's count will be 2. 2 is greater than 0, number of ways will be increased by 1, it will become 2. Third vote comes, and anti-chef will become 1. At this point, if chef says stop, 2 is still greater than 1, so there will be one more way. At fourth point, if he says stop, then anti-chef will become 2. No, 2 are equal, so you cannot say, even if he says stop, that won't count. So the total number of ways will be 3. Let's take one last example. 0 1 1 0 1 2 3 4. Chef is 0, anti-chef is 0. So first vote comes and it belongs to anti-chef. Anti-chef vote will be incremented by 1. Now chef count is 0, anti-chef is 1. So we cannot say this is a valid solution for us. Next vote come, chef will become 1. Now both of them are equal. We have question clearly stated that chef should be strictly greater than anti-chef number of votes. Then only we can say it is a possible answer. Now third vote comes and chef will become 2. At this point we can say chef has 2 votes and anti-chef has 1, so this will be a possible way. The next vote comes and anti-chef will become 2. So both of them are 2 2. We cannot say, even if we say stop here, anti-chef will be the winner because chef strictly need to have more number of votes than the anti-chef. So there is only one possible way. So from these 3 examples, what we are able to understand, that we can say stop at any point of time, but that point should be where chef should be, number of votes given for chef should be greater than number of votes for anti-chef, right? So if there are 111, 00, something like this, and there are leading zeros also, we will start with chef count as 0, anti-chef count as 0, and we will iterate over the binary string at any point of time. If chef vote, number of votes given for chef are greater than number of given votes for anti-chef, then we can add that count, saying that this is a possible way where chef could win. Like that, we will iterate the whole binary string and we will increment the chef value and anti-chef value at any point of time. If chef value is greater than anti-chef value, we will say this is a possible way and count those number of ways. And at the end of the test case, we will print how many ways there are. There could be possible 0 also. If there is only one test case saying that 0, then obviously our count will be 0 and our answer will be 0. If there is 1, then our answer will be 1. So I hope you understand this. Let's write this in simple format. First, we will iterate over the string. We will iterate over the binary string and count votes for chef and anti-chef. Second, at any point of time, if chef's votes are greater than anti-chef's, then we can say this is a possible answer and we will count. Else we won't count this. Else we will leave as it is. So these are the 2 points that you need to do. So thank you.